हाय आई एम राज फ्रॉम राज गेम्स और अब आप देखेंगे मेरे साथ PS4 गेम्स के प्ले वीडियोस। लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना ना भूलें।
Roger that. Boy, look at its size.
Is that the aggressor's mothership?
Who knows? Connect energy core to PA gear, stat!
What? Emergency communication from HQ. EDF satellite laser fires in 5 seconds.
Come on! We got this! What?
The aggressors are firing at us. Hold on!
Whoa! We can't keep her up! We're going down!
Yes, leader, sir.
Commander-in-Chief of the ADF Army. I will command this mission myself. Thanks to the Space Force's satellite laser, the aggressor's gigantic flying superweapon.
Out of style.
The high craft is losing altitude. The ground assault unit should be able to damage it right now. All ground assault units forward! Retreat is not an option. Show those rotten aliens what we got.
All EDF Navy units, prepare to fire. Begin attack.
Hey, look! Behind craft! Its attacks are all over the place! It looks like they lost their cool.
Same goes for us.
Right. I wonder how many are...
Recharging energy.
Leader!
What is that thing? HQ, please advise!
2/3 of the ground assault units are destroyed.
Energy core locking down.
Commander-in-Chief of the ADF Army. I will command this mission myself. Thanks to the Space Force's satellite laser, the aggressor's gigantic flying superweapon, aka the high craft, is losing altitude. The ground assault unit should be able to damage it right now. All ground assault units forward! Retreat is not an option. Show those rotten aliens what we got.
All EDF Navy units, prepare to fire. Begin attack.
Cooling terminal unit.
Hey, look! Behind craft! Its attacks are all over the place! It looks like they lost their cool.
Same goes for us.
Right. I wonder how many are... Whoa! Leader!
What is that thing? HQ, please advise!
2/3 of the ground assault units are destroyed. At this rate...
Yes, I have another plan. Flag team should arrive any minute with the new energy cores.
New cores? But, Commander, if we lose them...
This is now or
Burst of energy detected from the hive craft.
Are they going to fire the main cannon?
Cruise missile making impact now. Commander, the flare team.
Is anyone alive?
Flare team, the Type S PA gear unit. No survivors.
This can't be. We lost every single one of the new cores.
Take this!
Booting Type S Energy Core. Registering PA Gear User DNA Code. Complete. Updating PA Gear. Installing Overdrive System.
Commander, there's one Type S that is working.
A survivor from the flare team?
No, the registration is changed to that of a normal Quake soldier.
Quake? What is happening? No matter. Right now we need to destroy the hive craft. Hey you! Where's that Type S? Do you copy? Look! The main cannon misfired and it's falling apart!
High energy signatures detected inside. It must be the hive craft's energy source.
You are the only one here who can fight. Your PA gear is capable of overdrive. Finish off the
Energy
hive
core
craft
connected.
and the aggressors.
Cooling terminal. Giant creature approaching. Charge complete.